how to draw or measure risk to reward ratio of your trade in MT4. Now, is there default study or a way to do that in MT4? No, there isn't. But what we can do is that we can use a tool that is called Fib Retracement tool. And we can manipulate that, change the settings, and that would allow us to calculate or measure the risk to reward of our trade. Here's how to do it. First, what you need to do is go to Draw Fibonacci Retracement tool. So you bring that. What you do is that you click, then you click and hold and drag down. It will come up with some values which will be standard. Then double click on this line, right click and click on Fibo Properties. When you go to the properties, you will see a different screen. So what you'll see is it will be Fib extension and Fib retracement stuff. So you want to delete all of those and then replace them with this by double clicking it. So if you double click on this, let's suppose I double click on this and I enter 0, then I can enter different values here. You can see this little bit of code here. This is the bonus tip. If you put the % sign and the dollar sign, then it would display price. So I'll show you a few things again. Let me get out of this one. So if you look at this one, let's suppose this is the signal. So this is the banana seed signal. And you wanted to calculate if my stop loss, if my entry is here and my stop loss is here, where would be my 1R, which is the distance equal to the risk that you're taking. So let's suppose in this case your risk is 14. So you want to have your first target at 14, second target is 28, and the next one is obviously there. So that's your 3R target as it says here. So how you want it to display, you want the tool to display this for you. And the way to do that is right click, Fibonacci properties, once again. So 0 is for stop loss, 1 is for this entry level, and you can enter these levels by double clicking and changing. So you have to enter 4 for a 3R target and a 6 for a 5R target. I've done it all the way to 10R, 20R. So here we have the 1R, so that's 2, and for 2R you enter 3 and you keep going ahead like that. And if you want to change the color of these lines, you can do that with this. Suppose we want it to appear as blue, and you can also change the color of this little bit, this line here. Suppose I change it to, let's say, blue here, then it changes all of this. And once you have used this tool, this will stay like this for the next use as well. For example, if I use it again and I go back to it, it will stay that way. The settings will be retained. And that's how you do it. Thank you.